it's Ria here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell by my voice, I'm sick again. I don't know what's wrong with me. I get sick all the time. But that's not the topic. We are trying to do this look today. I'm going to show you how I did this look today. It's very obviously inspired by our queen, JANG WONYOUNG. I love the way her bangs look on her. Obviously my bangs are fake and I feel like they look really fake too. Anyways, let's not talk for too long, let's get right into it.
Hey guys, it's voice over me, let's go. By the way, little disclaimer, none of these products are sponsored, I'm just using them because I wanted to use them. So I'm starting off with a really light shade as a nice little base. By the way, oh my god, I tried something new with my editing style, like little overlays that show you the outlines. I really like it, I've seen it in Xiaohongshu and I needed to do it too. Let me know how you like it in the comments. Anyway, so I'm basically putting the shade everywhere. This placement might seem a little unusual, but it brightens up your whole look. Now we are finally switching the shade to a slightly darker pink. I'm basically going over most of the placement I just did as well again, just to bring back in some contour, but make it pink. Not gonna lie, this look is going to be pretty easy. So now we are switching it up a little bit. I'm taking two brown grayish shades and I'm putting them right underneath my waterline. Don't drag it all to the front. Then I'm switching to a different brush and I'm pretty much creating like a triangle. Still with the same shades and we're kind of connecting it and blending it out. Going back to the smaller brush again, I'm creating an cell. We want this to look really natural, so it's all about blending. So I'm always trying to go in a triangle. This is something I usually never do, but JANG WONYOUNG seems to do it. We're taking the same shade and now we're also putting it in the front. I'm also filling in my lash line to make the eyeliner look more natural later on. Going back to the cell, I'm using a flat brush and I'm using the lightest shade in the palette. And I'm brightening up this spot. Now we want a really natural eyeliner, like it has to be really close to your lash line. There should be basically no space. You will see me going back in to correct it and go over it again and again. To my favorite part, we're gonna use glitter. You're going to put it just in the middle of your eyelid. And same thing underneath your eye, only in the middle. As I said, going back in with the eyeliner, correcting it, making it look a little cleaner. I'm going back in with the same brown I used before, just sharpening the part underneath my eye. And I'm using a really cute blush and I'm putting it in a circle right underneath my eye. I obviously also put on her iconic molds. I just used a brown eyeliner for this and tried to tap it in to blend it out a little bit. Onto lips, I'm using this double-sided lip blur pencil from Cologram. I love it. I use it in my daily routine as well. I'm contouring the cupid's bow a little bit and right underneath my lips to make them look a little plumper. And then I'm going straight in with the glassing water tint. Basically also putting it on my cupid's bow and right underneath and blending it out with my fingers until I like the intensity. Blurring out your lip line actually makes your lips look so much more plump. Now just mascara. This one is a Clio mascara, but somehow I cannot find this edition. They actually sent this to me in their 30th anniversary box, but as I said, I cannot find it anywhere. I don't know if they sell it, but honestly, any black mascara will do. And then I'm just pinching my lashes to make them look spiky. And that's already it.
Hey guys, it's me again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like or maybe subscribe if you haven't yet. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye!